Hey guys, welcome back to another Tech by K. Today we'll be checking this new keyboard, the ASUS TUF Gaming K3, and check if it is worth your time. Before we start, I've noticed that some of you aren't subscribed on this channel. If you want more tech reviews like this, make sure to leave a like and subscribe and comment down below if you have any questions for more videos like this. And now, let's get to the review. So guys, now we'll be unboxing the ASUS TUF Gaming K3 mechanical keyboard. As you guys can see, I have trouble opening the box. I love how it's quite sealed when it was delivered to me. And by the way, this was a gift from my sister. Thank you, Ate Chick. The box itself feels so premium than the other boxes that I've unboxed through the past. This comes with a mechanical RGB switches, magnetic wrist rest, and the USB 2.0. And now, let's open the box. It feels satisfying opening for the first time. It's my first time ever having an ASUS product. I'm actually excited on how will this perform through my years of gaming and editing. The box doesn't have any key puller. It's kinda rare that I don't get any key puller because from the video that I did in the past, the MACHENIKE K7, it had an included key puller. Keycap puller. Yes. The keyboard itself is heavy, but it definitely feels premium. This is the ASUS TUF Gaming Mechanical RGB keyboard, which has a aluminum alloy top cover in the package, and this also comes with its very own wrist rest. I've noticed that the wrist rest itself has a foam at the back so that the wrist rest won't move when you're using it. Correct me if I'm wrong. This keyboard has two USB connectors. One is for the USB pass-through, which you can locate at the top left corner of your K3. I would highly recommend getting this type of keycap puller so that your keycap won't get scratched and damaged at the same time. And this keycap puller has an included switch puller. You can purchase this keyboard with blue or red switches, and the one that I bought is the red switch version, and take a look on how it is so quiet. And let's see the difference between my old keyboard, the MACHENIKE K7 blue switch. This keyboard also has an 8 programmable macro keys. And Aura Sync lighting support software, which you can download on their official website. Just go to the link provided on the description below. To test this keyboard, I've played a bunch of games to see if this can handle various of FPS games. Let's go. As you can see, I'm not that good at playing FPS games, but playing with this keyboard actually made my kills a lot more good. And when you click this keyboard, it's actually quite smooth and it feels nice, especially with the wrist rest. As a conclusion, this is a go-to keyboard if you want to save your money and have a premium quality, and it can rival various other brands like Corsair, Razer, to name a few. This keyboard is just for you. If you guys enjoyed, give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any questions regarding this keyboard. For more content, be sure to check me out on my channel KPA6. This has been your boy, KPA6. Good night, guys.